latching mechanism, and we'll be using these quick latches instead. Like I said, this plate was gonna go. The key tools here are a 10mm socket and an 11mm wrench. This won't be needed either, and it is removable by two 10mm bolts. I'll leave this plate on for mounting points for the T3 strut bar. I don't have yet, but one day. I disconnected the cable from the latch. Now this won't be needed, and I can pull the cable from inside the car. Pull it right out. We can go into the spare parts bin now. Maybe be able to reuse that in a future project. I found some baby birds. The plan is to get these mini latches to function as some hood latches. I don't think this functions as a stopper anymore. Yeah, that wasn't doing any good. I'll use its mounting point to get this in, and then I'll put some grease on the top and bring the hood down on it. This just so happens to share the same pitch. And that's about where I want the height to be. Top with some grease. Transfer that mark. And we see where we need to be. I made a pilot hole with an 1/8 inch bit, and I'm gonna come back with a 3/4 inch paddle bit. Same applies for this side. Worked out real convenient being the same thread pitch. Got my height set. Dab that grease to transfer the mark. I bored the holes out to 3/4 inch. This mamma jamma here. Step up bit would have been the best thing to use, but that's not what I had. This is what I had. It falls right in the center. I can clean that up a little bit with a file, and that cracked paint won't show. Let's see how it works. Looks good, not a bad look. Now I just tighten the hardware. I'm satisfied and happy with the outcome. probably best to tape around the hole to be cut with some painter's tape, just to protect the paint.